You come in contact with your pain, and you find your strength. It's like that.
Okay, I'm back like I never left. Okay, so I am taking I'm taking the Morphe 35B palette. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm gonna do on my eyes, you guys. So yeah, I'm just freestyling, and the way I picked out my palette, I just picked up one. So honestly, I don't even know what to expect in this palette. Anywho, okay, so I'm taking this e.l.f. blending brush. Just take any blending brush, and the color that I'm gonna use. See, I was gonna use some brown, you know, but obviously there isn't any browns in the Morphe 35B. So the only one is like a shimmery type brown. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with the this like pink, this light pink and peach color. So here and here. Yeah. And like I said, I'm just gonna start off with the pink as my transition. And don't be afraid to pack it on there, guys. Please don't be afraid to pack it on there. Pack that stuff. Pack the stuff. Pack the stuff, okay? Pack it like a pack rat. Pack it like a pack rat to get them colors, boo. A little bit about me and a little bit about why I am starting my YouTube channel. So why I'm starting my YouTube channel? Because I want to. But no, seriously. Why I'm starting a YouTube channel? One, because I want to. Two, because I've been wanting to do it for a while. Before YouTube was even like popular, like YouTube vlogging and people doing makeup tutorials and stuff, I already wanted to do it, but it wasn't up to par like I wanted it to be. So I've been working on it for a while. Like, I've been thinking about it for a while, but I just wanted the proper items. Like, you know how people start up and then start out and then come up? Like, I know I was gonna have to have a come up, but I still didn't want to record with anything, especially when, but then sometimes I regret that I waited so long to start, because so many people are constantly doing these channels now. So it's just like, I mean, I'm up for the challenge. It's just the simple fact that, you know, you have those people that are like, oh, she's just doing it because everyone else is doing it. Oh, she's just doing it because I'm doing it. Oh, she didn't want to do that. Oh, she's just doing it because, you know, you have those negative people in life that's just like, oh, she's just doing it because she thinks she's gonna make some money. Actually, no. I am doing it because I've been doing makeup basically my entire life. Before I even knew how to do it really good, like, makeup is makeup. So eyeliner, mascara, I was doing it, you know? Anything in the makeup industry, I knew about it. Like, anything that came out or anything. So when I first thought about that I wanted to do a YouTube channel as far as like my life and makeup tutorials, I first discovered that I wanted to do that in 9th grade. Mind you, I am, well, it's summertime now, so I am a sophomore in college, you know? So I've been wanting to do it for a while, but I didn't have no money. I didn't have enough money to get a camera, a proper working camera. I didn't know the ins and outs, you know? So yeah, so I was just, it was just a dream, but I didn't know if I was gonna make it come or not, come true or not. So then, let's see, I started getting good at makeup around like 10th grade, I started like, because my mom, she doesn't know this, but she actually started me into like wanting to learn more and do more with makeup, because for Christmas she bought me this little, you know, couture kit from Forever 21. Y'all, it wasn't my color or anything. Now that I'm better and I know, like, y'all, I look crazy, but it had the contour, the highlight, and the concealer, so they called that highlight too, to put up under there. So yeah, and then it had the little face on there, the little contouring face, and I'm like, So mind you, I'm just, you know, at this time I'm looking up tutorials and stuff, and some people came up, but you know, it was like not as popular. So I had to find what I needed to find, and I just started doing it. And I mean, I just started getting better and better. Then my junior year, people began to ask me to do their makeup, and my different friends and stuff, and I'm just like, okay. So then someone brought it to my attention, like, hey, you're good. Why don't you start your own makeup business? Why don't you start charging people? And I'm like, I don't know. So it sat with me, and before then I was thinking about it, but then once somebody brought it to my attention, I was like, But I didn't have a name. I didn't know what I wanted to do. And then by this time, like, other people were doing makeup already, then other people doing makeup. Everybody, the makeup industry is big. Fast forward to senior year, one night I'm in bed and a name just pops in my head, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm about to start my business. Like, this is the cutest name. Sophisticated Faces is the name of my brand, is the name of my makeup, not line, but my business. But the cute way is like, it's spelled differently. Since my name is Kayla, K-A-Y, replaces the C and the A in Kated, Sophisticated Faces. I don't know how it popped in my mind, I don't know. And so, boom, that was the name of my brand. So, fast forward, I'm in this graphic design class in my school. I know how to work like Photoshop and all of that. I make my own business cards. I didn't go to Staples, I didn't go to anything. The only thing that I did do is to print them out. I went to Staples. I designed my own card, my own logo from scratch on the computer on Photoshop. And shout out to my graphic design teacher. She was more of a friend than anything, Mrs. Cheryl, and she's not going to be Miss Cheryl for long because she's getting married. So shout out to her because she helped me a lot too as far as making my card. Shout out to Nails by Trish. Shout out to Trish. She does nails. Go get your nails done, Henderson, North Carolina. She let me, free of charge, no rent, no booth rent or anything, she let me do makeup in her shop. I told her about me starting it. I started it at 17. She was like, I was just telling her while she was doing my nails, not expecting her to say that. She was just like, oh, you could come here and do makeup. It'll be free of charge. I'm all here for young businesses. I'm all here for young people trying to make it. You can put some of your business cards in here whenever you have an appointment. Just come in here. And she gave me the room. And I'm like, wow, like, thank you. Like, I'm so appreciative to this day. So I was doing prom makeup in there. So boom, it was February 1st when I launched my business. So, and why did I launch my business then? Because it was Black History Month, and it's just like Black excellence basically. I was like, this is a good month to start, tell people about it. So I uploaded my first picture, and it was a selfie of me, of course, and I just introduced myself. I was just telling everybody like, hey, I'm starting this business, blah blah blah. And after that, stuff flew, like shot off. I was booked for prom. Mind you, I just started this in February. So prom came around and I got so many prom appointments, and I was so shocked, like, wow. But the crazy thing thing about it is I got prom appointments from people from other schools, not even my own school, from my own town. So that goes to show you that people are there for you, and people say, oh, I'm so proud of you, I support you, you do this, you do that, and they will comment all day when you're doing good and when you're healthy and when you're just launching it and it's all good. But as far as wanting your business, they don't want to support you because they don't want you to be better than them, period. So that just goes to show you, people that you barely even know will support you more than people that you've been around your whole life, including friends. And that's no shade to anybody, that's just tea. So boom, that was that. And my business just took off. But then business slowly started, you know, declining towards the end of my senior year, because I mean, it's my time, you know. I had prom, I had tests, I was focusing on graduating, I was focusing on getting scholarships, I was focusing on getting into my #1 school, University of North Carolina at Charlotte, you know. So that's what I was focusing on. So then after that, I mean, that's when stuff just started declining and declining and declining, and I wasn't doing makeup anymore. That's when I started focusing on myself and stuff like that, and clientele went down. And so I just decided, like, okay, and I started noticing things like I could have gotten way better on, you know, way better on. So instead of me taking that as discouragement, I'm like, okay, well, let's just start working on your makeup stuff and let's see about this YouTube. So boom, it took forever to get my YouTube channel. I'm just now coming up with my YouTube channel. Mind you, this was before I even got in college. So it's the summertime. It's almost time to, well, it's not the summertime. Fast forward, I done went through a first semester of school. Boom, we're here. The break before second semester. And then it's like, I was still trying to get my camera, and I just kept begging and begging my uncle. But then I started actually putting in the work to show him that I actually wanted to start it. So I just started making Facebook Lives on my phone. So then my other uncle, shout out to Uncle Larry. So he mentioned, he was like, oh yeah, I see you be putting up your videos and stuff. And so my uncle Tim was like, oh, so she he recorded, so he's like, I guess I'm gonna have to get her that camera that she been asking for. And I was like, you already know. So basically I saved up some of my Christmas money. This was, you know, Christmas had passed or whatever, and I was like, I'm gonna get this camera. So I saved up the Christmas money that I had, and me and him went half and half, and I got my camera. So once I got my camera, I'm like, oh yes, I'm about to record. No. Once I had my camera for a while, for a long time, the whole spring semester while I was at Charlotte. And I didn't vlog, I didn't make any videos. I just wanted everything to be tight, you know. Then my bestie Ray tried to come through, you know, she did come through, and she got me a backdrop and everything. And I was like, girl, this is not the one. But I was like, oh my gosh, because she knew I wanted everything perfectly. So shout out to her too. I'm just trying to think all of the people that helped me come this long way, you know. So yeah, that was that. And it comes summertime, which is now, and I'm like, okay, I need to get on it, I need to start recording. But I would record and it just would not be what I wanted. It wouldn't. And now I see why. Because like, you have to have like trial and error. And now I'm here. So yes. And y'all, I'm just talking. I know I'm supposed to be giving a tutorial, but I just wanted to introduce myself first, you know. Some makeup artists, like YouTubers, that, let's say, inspired me, really is just Aaliyah J, honestly. If we really being honest, Aaliyah J. That's all I ever watched. Like, and it's crazy, I began watching her when she began her YouTube channel. And now to see how far she's gotten girl, yes, I just love her so much. But everybody just be trying to throw shade at my sis, and I just, no, like, no, sis, no. Everybody be trying to throw shade at my sis, and I'm just like, why? She ain't do nothing to y'all. Nothing, sweetie, nothing, okay? Nothing. And she's still making big bucks, and y'all looking stupid, okay? I'm sorry I didn't really give a tutorial, but I mean, I just wanted to introduce myself to like my subscribers and stuff, and I don't want to do too much with makeup, so I was just talking. This was just a little fun video. So click that subscribe button and like this video. Thank you guys for watching. I know this was a long video. I know you're probably not watching it, but whatever. Thanks, guys. And I go by the name Miss Melanin K, and I hope to see you guys on my next video, and that will be, I don't know. Let me know what you want. Do you want a vlog? Do you want a makeup tutorial? You want a natural hair tutorial? What do you want? It's you. It's for you, for the comfort of you, okay? To know me, what I like to do. But I'm glad you guys are here, and I hope you guys subscribe. And again, I go by the name Miss Melanin K, and my Instagram and all my social media information will be below, and goodbye.